Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is ITE 152 web project. Here this is the purpose of the project and these are the directions. Here the directions are: create a web page on a topic of your choice that includes title or your browser tab, then include two headings, labels, then include one order list which contains at least 5 items, then include one or an order list which contains at least 5 items. And here are our other instructions. As you can see, there are total 18 instructions in this file. Okay, you can find all the instructions in the description box also. Now the solution is here this index.html. You can see the solution. Here it is. And then style.css. Okay, so this solution includes an order list and unordered list, a picture with an alt tag, and adding a sample video, audio and video files, adding an external link. Okay, so here this is the solution, final solution. As you can see, now if you want this solution or if you want any type of help in these type of assignments, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp or email, whichever you want. My all contact details are provided in the description box, so contact me and get any type of assignment help from there.